10 Transformative Lessons for a More Organized Life. Introduction. Achieving a well-organized life isn't just about tidying up. It's about creating lasting habits that lead to more productivity and peace of mind. This guide introduces 10 essential lessons on how to simplify your space, manage your time, and establish sustainable routines. Implementing these lessons will help you transform chaos into order, making life more fulfilling and efficient. Master the basics of decluttering. Simplify with foundational organizing principles that streamline life. Recognize clutter traps and use smart strategies to manage them. Enhance decision-making by sorting essentials from the non-essentials. Conquer paper chaos. Utilize effective sorting and filing systems to manage paper clutter. Control information overload by understanding retention schedules. Establish a clear plan for what documents to keep or discard. Maximize your time. Track where your time goes and reclaim it with targeted strategies. Use productivity tools to tackle procrastination and distractions. Prioritize tasks that align with your core values and goals. Optimize your living spaces. Design functional kitchen zones to maintain order and reduce clutter. Organize your closet with clothes you love and wear frequently. Keep living areas streamlined to boost day-to-day efficiency. Create child-friendly organization. Manage toy and paperwork clutter with effective strategies. Design routines that prepare everyone for stress-free mornings. Teach kids responsibility by involving them in organizing. Maintain with effective systems. Develop simple routines for keeping your home and life clutter-free. Implement adaptable systems that grow with your lifestyle. Regularly review and tweak routines to sustain your progress. Practice smart delegation. Empower others by delegating tasks to free up your time. Ensure clear instructions to make delegation effective. Encourage growth and teamwork by trusting others with responsibilities. Schedule quality breaks. Incorporate short breaks to prevent burnout and maintain focus. Ensure downtime is relaxing and not just a change of task. Use breaks as a reset for better productivity and creativity. Set realistic goals. Create achievable goals that challenge without overwhelming you. Regularly assess your progress and adjust as necessary. Maintain realistic expectations to keep stress low. Regularly review what's working in your time management. Adapt and try new strategies to refine your approach. Recognize that effective time management evolves with your needs. Implementing these 10 lessons will guide you toward a more organized and balanced life. By being consistent and open to change, you'll maximize productivity, reduce stress, and make the most of your time and energy. Start today and watch as small changes make a significant impact. If you consider this to be useful, kindly share it.